We have seen that this airbase plays an important role in preparation of the Indian Air Force for combat and the emerging situation along the China border. How is the josh of your boys here, and including the pilots and the ground crew? How is the josh?
Every air warrior at this base, and not only this base, across the entire Indian Air Force, is fully trained and capable to meet all the challenges. Our josh has always been high and touching the sky with glory.
Here at a forward air base of the Indian Air Force, you have been deployed here. What is the role and importance of this forward base?
This base plays a very important role for undertaking operations in this area. This base is fully cleared for all contingencies and for all combat operations and support operations that are planned to be undertaken in this area.
In the recent past, we have seen that we have had hostilities with China along the line of control in eastern Ladakh sector. There have been clashes also between troops of both countries. Under these present circumstances, how confident do you think the Indian Air Force is to tackle the situation?
The Indian Air Force is fully prepared for operations and ready to meet all the challenges. The air power is a very important aspect of war fighting, and even more relevant today. The air power will play a very crucial role in this area, both in combat and support roles. We have all the resources in terms of men and equipment to meet all the challenges. The Indian Air Force is ready in all aspects to undertake all operational tasks and for providing requisite support for military operations.